Hello everyone, and welcome to another Superintendent's Message. I'm Dr. Robert Shermai, the proud Superintendent of Manor ISD, and today we are talking about pathways. And actually all month we're going to talk about pathways because it is CTE Awareness Month. CTE stands for Career and Technical Education. Those are courses that lead students on a particular possible career pathway. So look around a little bit and you can see the auto tech behind me. This is one of the many pathways our students can take, and these pathways can lead them on to not only college but also career right outside of high school if they choose. So I want to start off by thanking all our great CTE teachers out there. We have everything from construction, health sciences, law and law enforcement, EMT, many different trades, different certification programs, and we're always looking to build some more like cybersecurity and advanced manufacturing. So thank you to all those teachers who tirelessly work in these classrooms to teach the kids and get them on that pathway. But also thank you to the parents who are sitting down with their children and thinking about these pathways, because these are things that when I was a student in 9th grade, we didn't have all these opportunities. And now with all these opportunities, it's great for parents to sit down and work with their children to find out something that either interests them or maybe it's a career. Maybe you're just interested in welding, but maybe you want to make a career out of welding, which you can do straight out of high school with the certifications you can earn within the school district. So everyone, think about pathways. That is the idea of the month, the word of the month, pathways. Where am I going to go on my journey through Manor ISD? And that journey doesn't necessarily stop at graduation. Maybe it does and on to the workforce, but maybe it goes on to a technical college or a community college, and maybe it goes on to a 4-year degree. Either way, there is a pathway for you. So thank you all to the community and the hardworking staff at Manor ISD. Also, have a happy Black History Month. That is February as well. We have a lot of events going on. Hope to see you at some of those events. And as always, take care of yourselves and each other. Thank you.